Exciting day for me, race day. But I only have 7 seconds to grab your attention or you're going to the next thumbnail. And the analytics shows everyone loves a good car crash. So I'm gonna show you a few. But let's back it up. Let's set the stage. Allow me to show you where we are. But first, as promised, a couple car crashes. Tumble wumbles, if you will. A little oopsie-doos, scoopsie-boos. But we're in North Florida's Callahan Speedway, and they have all kind of RC car tracks out here. Go-kart tracks, one-to-one motorcycles, and drag strips. Callahan, Florida. And if you're lucky enough, if you have time, if you have one of these rigs, come on out and join us, man. I promise you, come one, come all. We welcome everyone. These so-called toys range from $600 to $2,000 with another $100 to $1,500 in hop-ups. Easy. I told you, these are more than just toys. And these guys out here are serious about their itch. Hell, this plane is 9 feet. That's 3 meters from my friends across the pond. So we got our Losi DBXL-E, all set up with Widowmaker, double servos, aluminum here, XLX tube tassel, 2028 with the big MX43s on it. Daggone loud 5T. This is my 5T, so we're gonna try to get it started. Hopefully I know what I'm doing still. Hopefully this thing is still working and we can get this thing running. First we gotta prime it, get some fuel in this thing. Get some fuel in it. All right, we gotta choke it. So we're gonna choke. Wait for it to pop. That's the pop. Now we pull it up here. We should get it to go. Pulls, baby. Come on now. 3 pulls now. Let's put the big hat on it. Hey man, you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. All right, so the moment you get on station, you got to get your remote out, make sure you pick the right car, make sure your car is running, tighten up all your bolts, fill up your gas, go to the registration, put your name on the registration, let them know what cars you're running. You got to see Rob to do that. And then you just walk around, see what the competition is looking like, see what everybody has, and just say hi to the friends who you haven't seen in a while. Traxxas XRT, Slash, and X Max. Mojave 7th scale. What else we got out here? What else? Oh, this flag is so ginormous. If you listen hard enough, I swear you can hear Lee Greenwood. You can hear the race coordinator barking orders. Cars are coming on deck. Let's go racing. We either going to name this the Equalizer or the Widowmaker, because no matter what place you think you win, somebody gonna come around turn 3 and run right into this joker. Yo, they got so mad at me because I was a turn marshal and I was recording and I forgot to turn this car over. But I didn't crash it, so why was I in a rush? When I come out here, man, I got like 15 jobs, man. I gotta drive the car, fix the car. I gotta turn marshal. I gotta do videos. Man, I gotta do pep talks. Come on, dog. Come on, man. I'm rallying the troops. Let's go. $85 degrees, kind of warm to be so far into the winter, but man, North Florida, great weather, great time by all. I'm glad we made it, and I'd like to thank Sean for putting together another top-notch event. Word on the streets is this Fireteam is bone stock. Hey man, if you see one of these things on Christmas sale, get one for you or somebody you know, they'll love it. So this race is between the Arrma Fireteam, Arrma Mojave, and Traxxas Sledge. I don't have a dog in the fight. I'm just here to marshal and record, but I'm telling you what I saw. The Fireteam, insane, man. But that's just my 2 cents. You take it and make it 3. Now this rally car is a Baja inside, and it belongs to the big homie Kelly. And it's a shame Kelly didn't get a chance to race it today because of some unforeseen circumstances with the other racers. But Kelly did grace the video with the ride, so we're going to show it anyway. It's an EV and it's probably twice as fast as one of the 5Ts. And luckily today, we're all in for a treat because we have a camera-mounted DBXL. That dude said Lee Greenwood. Lee Greenwood made a song called Proud to Be an American, but he also made the exact same song, and it's called Proud to Be a Canadian. So they line us up in single file line, I don't know, by last name, alphabetical order, whatever, man. But I'm in 4th and I gotta come up through the ranks. So let's go, line them up and roll them out. Trevor, get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way! Ah, shit! Here comes the Widowmaker. Now the only issue with the gassers, I mean other than them being super loud and you'll go deaf if you get too close, is it's a gas engine and they don't like to sit still. They like to move like a shark. Like it's never going to stay still like a shark. It needs to be in constant motion. But when you got 4, 5, 6 people with Losi 5ive-Ts, they get ready at different rates. Some cars don't want to start. Some guys don't know where their batteries are. Some guys are still driving in from Tallahassee. I don't know. Either way, yeah, man. So we take a couple laps. We do some loop-de-loops. We do all kind of stuff to wait because whoever is on time is always punished. saw that, right? This joker tried to cut me off. Hey, man, sometimes you gotta be good. Sometimes you gotta be lucky. And other times you just hope nobody cuts you off, spins you out, and flips you upside down. You know what I'm saying? Overall, it was a good event. No animals were hurt during the making of this video. And I think I'm finally ready to upgrade my Losi 5ive-T, make that thing a little faster. And if you made it this far into the video, then you know who Raz is. And Raz always talks about we are the community. A bunch of RC nerds. Just having a good time showing each other why we do our thing. And everybody is like trading secrets, helping each other out. And Taz over here trying to solve this riddle of how to get his onboard camera going. I gave it a shot once, man. It's all over the place. So I just used the GoPro and 360.
Yeah, nice. If I can get this working. I haven't done this in a while. Oh my goodness.
Each one teach one. My man trying to figure out why his car don't have a good turn radius. But you know, Trevor, that joker know everything about RC cars, so he'll get it straight. And if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell a friend to tell a friend. From a 5-7. Hey man, thanks for hanging out to the end. I appreciate you.